I'd run faster than a Labrador. Because I like moving fast. I can run as fast as a rhino.
Any stress you've got disappears immediately.
Makes me smiley and very excited.
You have that glorious little glow of smugness that you've gone out and done something that's so good for you.
What did the cucumber say to the tomato in the race? Ketchup.
Just got that clarity of thought. I think I get my best ideas actually when I'm out running.
Let's all do a mobile. There we go.
It's sociable. I didn't think running would be. It just keeps me going.
Who's the best out of you two?
Me.
It's good to get out and run with the kids.
I'm gonna run because afterwards I can have an ice cream.
The focus for me is all about doing my PB.
It makes me feel free, happy, and that's it. It makes me feel like I haven't got a care in the world.
It also means that I can eat and drink what I like.
I like running with baby rhinos.
You just are awash with endorphins.
That buzz that is quite addictive. You want to go and do it again because you really love that feeling.
We have to make a ladder if I want to ride on a giraffe. I had no idea what you just said. Into the London 10-mile run now. I want to wind on my back garden.